I recently picked up this Greenworks 60-volt cordless lawnmower, and I'm so happy that I did because at first I was skeptical to even get an electric lawnmower. But as you'll see, this little lawnmower cut right through my grass like butter. And the setup of this lawnmower was very simple. Anybody could do it. You basically just take it out of the box, attach the 2 screws that are provided to the handle and attach your handle with the screwdriver. Then you just pull the 2 notches on the handle and you can bring it up right to whatever your height is comfortable. It has 4 modes of cutting. You can mulch, bag, side discharge, or turbo leaf pickup. And it took me no time to set this lawnmower up, maybe about 10 minutes. I also love the fact that this lawnmower is so quiet when cutting grass. My old gas lawnmower was just so loud. This version is the 60-volt version, and it was more than powerful to cut my thick grass. It comes with 2 4-amp batteries that are rechargeable, and it lasts about 60 minutes of continuous mowing that covers about 3/4 of an acre. It also came with this dual charger for charging the batteries. I charged mine up in about 30 to 40 minutes fully, and when I cut my grass outside, it didn't even use one whole battery. The batteries have these LED lights so you can tell exactly how much charge you have on them. When you're ready to cut, you just insert the 2 batteries and then the lid is soft close. Then you just adjust your speed with these easy to use controls right on the handle. Now watch how well this lawnmower tackles my lawn. After you're finished, you just close the handle down and it raises right back up into the upright position and it's easy for storage. I'm super happy with this. I think it's a 10 out of 10 and definitely recommend this lawnmower to anyone.